Now we're looking at section 4. Your outline says to read page 192. And what I want you to pay specific attention to is this sentence here that talks about the percent problem. A is P% of W. And it talks below it about what A represents, which is the amount, sometimes called the percentage. You have to be careful with this though, because the other one is percent, which is the P, that's the rate. That's the one that has the percent sign beside it. And then the whole quantity, sometimes called the base. So we're going to go with A for the amount, W for the whole quantity, and P for the percent or the rate. Now, the two things that you're going to want to keep in mind though are two equations that are on that page. And they're both proportions, and it just depends on how you want to think of it. The first one is A over W equals P over 100, and it's the amount over the whole equals the percent over 100. The other way sometimes people like to think of it is, instead of this A over W, use is over equals the P over 100. Because sometimes this is easier when you're looking at a percent problem. You find the number that comes after the word of, and it goes there. You find the percent, and it goes there. The only other number is usually around the word is, and it goes there. So sometimes it's easier to think of it in that way. You're also going to want to remember this sentence so that when you have a word problem, you can fill it in and make it easier to solve. And that is A is P% of the whole. So you're going to look at a word problem and you're going to find the whole amount, like your whole salary or something like that. You're going to find the percent, and you're going to find whatever stands for the amount that you may be looking for, or it may be given. And once you get it in a sentence, you can then substitute it into this proportion equation that you have.